he made sure that everyone was comfortable, because there would be 100 students at a time might be attending a Zoom call. To make everyone feel comfortable at the same time and make sure that everyone is on the same page is quite a difficult task for a teacher. And he made sure about that every week. Hello everyone, my name is Chirag Maheshwari. I am a US CPA and I was a CA intern, and I am based from Mumbai. The language was super easy. I felt quite comforting. It was like quite layman language, which Varun sir also used to specify that he made sure that the language is not too technical, so that for every student it is on the same line and no one feels that I have to do something before I touch the Miles books. I used to love those Saturday and Sunday lectures to attend, because Varun sir used to give us an overview of every chapter every week. It used to be quite fun. The jokes Varun sir used to crack, try to incorporate the concepts through those jokes, and we could relate to that. That was the great thing. And even though it was a 4-hour lecture or 5-hour lecture, it never felt too tiring or too tedious. We always loved it, and it was quite fun to always come across those Saturday and Sunday lectures. 3 tips would be to stay calm, was to stay consistent with the preparation. Just don't lose faith in yourself. CPA matlab miles.